In this video, I'll show you exactly how you can delete your Pocket Option account. And if you are frustrated by making loss in Pocket Option, and if you are thinking to delete your Pocket Option account, then I would suggest you two things that can be extremely important for you. So watch this video till the end. So first thing I recommend you is you watch this video, which I'm going to leave the link in the end of this video anywhere at here. Okay. In this video, I have shown you how you can copy my trades automatically into your Pocket Option account by using the social trading feature of Pocket Option. Do watch this video. And another video is where I have shown you how I was able to increase my $10 into $2,541 by using an extremely simple strategy that even a beginner, absolutely beginner, can use. Do watch this video before deciding to delete your Pocket Option account. Now let me show you the exact steps to delete your account. So the first step is you need to click on here. Okay, just log into your Pocket Option account, click on here, and you will see this profile. Just click on that profile. I'll see an interface like this. Now you don't need to do anything, just scroll this down. Okay, just click on scroll bottom and scroll it to the end. And when you scroll down, then you'll see this bottom, delete account. Just click on that delete account. Now here you need to select the region. Just click on select region and click on I would like to close my duplicate account. Just click on that and your account will be closed permanently. Now if you have any question, then do ask me in the comment section below, and don't forget to watch 2 of my videos that it's going to be extremely helpful for you. And I would also like to request you to do like my videos. Take care. Bye bye.